In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube lagging on a Windows PC or laptop. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click System. Now turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. After disabling it, click Relaunch to restart your browser. Once Chrome reopens, visit YouTube and check if the lagging issue has been resolved. If YouTube is still lagging, click the three-dot menu again. Go to History, then click History once more. On the left-hand side, click Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time. Select Cached Images and Files, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Browsing History. Then click Delete Data. After the process is complete, restart your browser and open YouTube again. In most cases, YouTube should now play smoothly without lag.
That's it! This is how you can fix YouTube lagging on a Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.